Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today I'm going to very briefly show you how to run a t-test in Stata. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to read in this auto data. We've seen this auto data before. This auto data has a bunch of variables about different cars, and we've got this variable called foreign, which tells you if the car is foreign or domestic. So maybe I want to do a test to see if the miles per gallon is equal between foreign and domestic cars. So I'll put this down and then I'm going to run this t-test. The command is just t-test, the variable that I want to do the t-test for, and then how I want to split that variable into the two groups. So I'm going to do that by foreign. So I'll run that now. Now, when we're looking at the output, let's sort of go over this together. So here is the average miles per gallon, or the variable we used, by the foreign status. So this is the average for domestic and this is the average for foreign. These are the rest of the statistics for those means by group. And you can see we have a combined mean here. What the t-test command is going to do is it is going to test different alternative hypotheses against the null that the difference of means is 0. So here you can see we've got the t-test for the difference is less than 0, the difference is not equal to 0, or the two-sided test. The difference is greater than 0, or again, a one-sided test. You can see the probability that they're not equal to is statistically significant at the 1% level. The one-sided test that the domestic is less than the foreign is also statistically significant at the 1% level, but the alternative hypothesis that the difference or domestic minus foreign is greater than 0 is not statistically significant, which also makes sense. So what we can conclude from this t-test is that the mean miles per gallon is not the same between domestic and foreign, and in fact the domestic miles per gallon is lower than the foreign. So hopefully this gives you a brief overview of how to run a basic t-test and state in what the output of that t-test means. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another case of Econ Struggles.